Usually, any aggressor tries to surprise you by getting you off guard. However, if you watch this until the end, you'll learn to use these 7 tiny self-defense gadgets that will give you the edge and let you get anyone off guard who tries to mess around you. The switch gun. Nothing surprises an assailant than a concealed gun that you will draw out of your little pocket. The switch gun, being only 4 inches in length and weighing only 9 ounces, fits perfectly in your pockets along with your smartphone and carries enough firepower that will take down anyone who's gonna mess with you in the short range. You can easily fold it, conceal it, and carry it around anywhere you go. This small body, with its comfortable grip, easy loading, and accuracy, will make sure you are protected at all times. Titanium micro knife ring. It looked like a fancy ornament at first, but this beautiful titanium ring hides a secret. It contains a sharp micro blade. It can incapacitate any attacker instantly with a sharp momentary pain for some time. Have big fingers or slender tall ones? No need to worry, the ring is adjustable into multiple sizes. The greatest advantage is its easy concealment. The last thing anyone would ever expect is for this ring to be a weapon. Ridge Runner Key Folding Knife. Did you ever imagine hiding a knife among your keys? Now you can with the Ridge Runner Folding Knife. This pocket knife fashions a razor-sharp 2-inch blade and a convenient aluminium handle that makes it a perfect concealed weapon that could give your attacker potentially a lethal blow. Pepperball Blast. When someone tries to attack you out of nowhere, the range could be the deciding factor in either escaping your attacker or falling prey to him. Pepperball Blast is the ideal solution in such a situation. This 7-inch, the 1.5-ounce gadget can shoot a pepperball projectile accurately up to 15 feet. Its small and foolproof design will allow you to conceal it, draw it, and fire it within seconds. The single-use pepper barrels can be easily reloaded as well, giving you the upper hand against any preying assailant. The Knife. Your smartphone is the one device that will always be with you throughout the day. What if I tell you that you can turn it into a smart self-defense gadget? Curious? Say hello to the Knife. This knife is unique just as much as its name is spelled uniquely. Knife is a razor-sharp 5.5-inch long stainless steel knife that can be easily concealed within a phone cover. The knife comes with a special phone case that allows you to conceal it inside the cover and draw it out instantaneously with ease whenever you need to. Saber Personal Alarm. So far, we saw tiny self-defense knives, guns, and sprays, but what if you don't want to deal with them? What if you're not comfortable with actually engaging your assailant physically? In that case, your only option would be to scream so loud that someone else would come to your aid. You're lucky because you don't have to scream. The Saber Personal Alarm will do it for you. Embedded with a ear-blowing 120 decibel siren, which can create a sharp, recognizable sound that can be heard up to 1,250 feet. You are only a single button away from thralling anyone who's coming to hurt you. Its tiny size is just about 5.5 inches in length, along with long-lasting battery life, which will make sure that you can conceal and carry it with you at all times. Life Card. No one would have ever believed that a gun can be folded into the size of a credit card. And who would have thought that your credit card holder could hold a self-defense gadget? Life Card is a single-shot .22 caliber folding gun that will provide you with enough firepower to neutralize any potential threat at a distance of a few meters. Its sleek and miniature design will allow you to conceal it easily in your pocket. At 5 inches thick and weighing less than 7 ounces, when closed, it resembles a stack of credit cards, less than 3 inches in length and height. If used at the right moment properly, this made-in-USA gadget could be the decisive self-defense factor between your life and death. Remember, never judge a book by its cover, and never ever judge a self-defense gadget by its size. These gadgets prove that sometimes being tiny in size can be more rewarding when it comes to defending yourself. Have you ever used cool gadgets like this before to protect yourself? Comment down below and share with us. Until I see you next time, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned with us.